What is computer science? Let's start by saying that computer science is the science of computers. To expand on that, computer science is defined as the study of computers and computational systems, and deals with the theory, design, development, and application of software. Computer science shares ties to its cousin subjects, math and physics, and often people interested in computer science are also passionate about math, physics, or both. In order to study computer science, you need to be able to communicate with the computer. We do this by programming. Some people say programming, others say coding, others say development. All of this means the same thing: writing code that the computer understands in order to perform steps to solve a problem. An algorithm is a step-by-step sequence of instructions intended at solving a problem. Algorithms play a huge part in computer science, as all developers that write code are essentially writing algorithms that the computer will execute. Computer science has been around since the mid-1900s, and many of the problems that developers face repeat themselves. Therefore, some developers have created what are called design patterns, general, reusable solutions to commonly occurring problems in software design. In 1994, one of the most iconic books in all of computer science was published, named Design Patterns: Elements of Reusable Object-Oriented Software. It was written by 4 great software engineers, nicknamed the Gang of Four. Inside of this book, there are 23 design patterns, which have become the core concepts for computer science and software engineering in the 21st century. In this course, you will learn all 23 of those design patterns and how to implement them in C#. How does a person communicate their intent to a computer? Believe it or not, computers only understand 2 characters, zeros and ones. They don't know any other numbers, letters, or symbols. Zeros and ones are called binary code, the language of the computer. Programming languages interface between us and the computer. We write code that then compiles down into zeros and ones before it is executed by the computer. There are so many programming languages out there that you can use to communicate with the computer and write algorithms through code that the computer can execute. C# is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and it is the one that we will use in this course. In the next lecture, we will learn what computer programming is.